Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Renegade seats. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's battery. Next, fold down the rear seat backs to gain access to the area behind them. You'll then need to lift the trunk carpet to reveal two Torx bolts, typically size T40, which secure the rear seat cushion. Carefully remove these bolts to prepare for the next step. With the cushion bolts removed, focus on the seat backs. Find the central screw, often requiring an Allen key, and remove it. Beneath this screw, you'll discover a small clip. Gently pull it free. The seat backs are secured by a spring-loaded tab in the car's sidewalls. Use a flat-blade screwdriver to pry this spring towards the seat, then lift the entire seat back up and out of its slot. Now, let's tackle the front seats. Begin by moving the seat fully forward to expose the rear mounting bolts, then slide it back to reveal the front ones. You'll need to remove any protective caps covering these bolts. Crucially, disconnect the main electrical connector located underneath the seat. This often involves pulling back a red safety tab before pressing a release and separating the connection. Once all four Torx bolts are removed and the electrical connections are safely disconnected, the front seat is ready for removal. Carefully tilt the seat, guiding the headrest out through the door opening first, then maneuver the rest of the seat out of the vehicle. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Reinstallation is the reverse of these steps, ensuring all bolts are tightened and electrical connections are secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.